In the beginning was the 10x coder. Then came the Vibe coder. Today we are introducing the Diploi to rule them all.
Welcome to Diploi, the new way to develop apps. In short, Diploi is a platform that hosts your development, testing, and production environments. It doesn't matter if you're an AI native or more traditional, Diploi supports your workflow. So, what can you do with Diploi? Bring your dream app to life, deploy your existing project, create internal tools, or share and work on your project with customers. Diploi sticks to these three principles. 1. Own your stack. Frontend, backend, microservices, databases. Less to integrate and to configure. Clone everything with a single click. 2. Use infrastructure as code. This keeps everything consistent and clear. For example, want to add a database, add 2 lines of code, save, and done. 3rd, and this one is the killer, remote development. You install nothing on your machine, everything is in Diploi. Safe, isolated environments to let your AI agents run loose. Use any editor you want, Cursor, Z, VS Code, or our own in-browser Cloud IDE. Try Diploi, the new way to develop.